Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Learning Accounts with Veena. Today I will discuss chapter Common Size Statement from class 12 with the help of question from profit and loss and other question from balance sheet. Let's start. Question number 1 is for profit and loss account. This is the question: prepare common size statement of profit and loss account from the following information. Revenue from operation is given as 16 lakh and 8 lakh. As I have told in previous video also, in comparative statement, according to CBSE guidelines, you have to take previous year first and current year afterwards. Format of common size statement of P&L for the year ended 31st March 2016, 17 and 18 है, तो you have to write ended 31st March 2017 and 2018. And first column is for particulars, then note number, absolute amount for previous years and for current year. And then you have to take percentage of revenue from operation. First column is for previous year and second column is for current year. Okay, then first is revenue from operation. 8 lakh is for previous year and 16 lakh for in previous year. Cost of material consumed is 50%. 50% of 8 lakh is 40,000, and in case of current year it is 60% of revenue from operation. The 60% of 16 lakh is 9 lakh 60,000. Expenses are given. For previous year it is 40,000 and for current year it is 80,000. Now total it. Total expenses in previous year is 4 lakh 40 and in current year it is 10 lakh 40,000. Then profit before tax is equal to revenue minus total expenses. So I have supposed revenue expenses is first and second is total expenses. So from this you have to deduct this. So it comes to 3 lakh 60,000. 8 lakh minus 4 lakh 40 is equal to 3 lakh 60. And 16 lakh minus 10 lakh 40,000 is equal to 5 lakh 60. Next is income tax. Income tax rate is, in previous year it is 30%. This profit before tax is 3 lakh 60 and income tax rate is 30%. The profit is 3 lakh 60 into 30% is equal to 108,000. Okay, this is the amount. And in case of current year it is 40% of profit. Tax rate is 40%. Tax is always calculated on profit. Okay, so 5 lakh 60 into 40% is equal to 2 lakh 24,000. 2 lakh 24,000. Now you have to deduct profit before tax minus tax is equal to 2 lakh 52,000. And this minus this is equal to 3 lakh 36,000. Okay. In case of profit and loss, common base is always revenue. Okay. So when we are calculating percentage of revenue from operation in previous year, so you have to take common base 8 lakh in all the cases. Okay. So in first case, revenue from operation 8 lakh divided by 8 lakh into 100 is equal to 100%. 100. And now you have to divide this. Expenses are 4 lakh divided by revenue 8 lakh, common base is 8 lakh in all items. So in this case it is equal to 50%. Okay, 50%. Next is operating expenses, third case. 40,000 is the amount of expenses divided by common base 8 lakh into 100 is equal to 5%. Next is 4 lakh 40, total expenses divided by revenue into 100 is equal to 55%, or you can say this 50 plus 5 is equal to 55%. Then profit before tax is 3 lakh 60. Then you have to find out like this, 3 lakh 60,000 divided by 8 lakh into 100 is equal to 45%. Okay. Next is income tax. Income tax is 1,08,000 divided by 8 lakh into 100 is equal to 12%. Then 2,52,000 divided by 8 lakh, that is common base of previous year, into 100 is equal to 31.5%. Okay, in this way I have find out this previous year percentage of revenue from operation like this. Now come to current year. In current year, common base is this one, 16 lakh. So in all the figures you have to divide by 16 lakh. So 16 lakh divided by 16 lakh is equal to 100%. Then 9 lakh 60,000 divided by 16 lakh into 100 is equal to 60%. Then 80,000 divided by 16 lakh into 100 is equal to 5%. Then 10 lakh 40,000 divided by 16 lakh into 100 is equal to 65%. Then profit before tax is 5 lakh 60 divided by revenue common base 16 lakh into 100 is equal to 35%. Then income tax rate is 40%. 40% of 5 lakh 60 is 2 lakh 24,000, and this divided by common base, that is 16 lakh in this year revenue from operation into 100 is equal to 14%. Okay, like this you have to calculate. Next question is from common size statement from balance sheet. Okay, balance sheet of R Limited as on 31st March 2020 is given. This is current year and this is previous year. According to CBSE guidelines, you have to take previous year in first column and current year in second column. Okay, this is the format of balance sheet. Balance sheet as at 31st March 2019 and 2020. Equity and liabilities. Then shareholder fund. In shareholder fund, share capital in previous year is 2 lakh. Next is the reserves and surpluses. It is 60,000. And tax trade payables are given as 40,000. Total is 3 lakh. Next, fixed assets. Tangible assets are 1 lakh 20 in previous year. Intangible assets 30,000 and inventories are 30,000. Trade receivables are 1 lakh and cash equivalents are 20,000. total is 3 lakh. As we are doing common base statement, so in this case you have to take this 3 lakh as common base for previous year. Okay. So 2 lakh divided by 3 lakh multiply by 2 lakh divided by 3 lakh into 100. It is 66.67%. Like this you have to calculate it. Okay. Next is 60,000 divided by 3 lakh multiplied by 100 is equal to 20%. Next is trade payables 40,000 divided by 3 lakh multiplied by 100. It is 13.33%. Next is 1 lakh 20 tangible assets divided by 3 lakh. Common base is 3 lakh. Total of liabilities and assets are always equal in case of balance sheet. So you have to take base this. 1 lakh 20 divided by 3 lakh into 100 is equal to 40%. Intangible assets 30,000 divided by 3 lakh into 100 is 10%. Next, inventories 30,000 divided by 3 lakh into 100 is equal to again 10. Next, trade receivables are 1 lakh divided by 3 lakh into 100 is equal to 33 by 3%. Next is cash and cash equivalent 20,000 divided by 3 lakh into 100 is equal to 6.67%. Okay. In this way you have to calculate percentage of balance sheet total in this column for previous year like this. Now we take current year figures. Okay. Current year figures given in questions are: share capital is 2,50,000. Reserves and surplus is 80,000. Trade payables are 70,000. This. Next is tangible assets 1,60,000. Then 20,000 is intangible assets. 80,000 inventories, 1,20,000 trade receivables, and cash equivalent is again 20,000. Total is 4 lakh. Now I am calculating percentage of current year. So like this, in this case, this is common base. Total of balance sheet is common base. Okay. 2,50,000 divided by 4 lakh. 2,50,000 divided by 4 lakh into 100 is equal to 62.50. Next, reserves and surpluses 80,000 divided by 4 lakh into 100 is equal to 20%. Trade payables 70,000 divided by 4 lakh into 100 is equal to 17.50. 4 lakh divided by 4 lakh is equal to 100%. In this case also, this is 3 lakh. 3 lakh divided by 3 lakh is equal to 100. Next is 1,60,000. This is fixed tangible assets. divided by 4 lakh, total of balance sheet is common base, into 100 is equal to 40%. Next, intangible assets are 20,000 divided by 4 lakh into 100 is equal to 5. Next is inventories. 80,000 divided by 4 lakh into 100 is equal to 20%. Trade receivables. 1 lakh 20 divided by 4 lakh into 100 is equal to 30%. Next is cash and cash equivalent. 20,000 divided by 4 lakh into 100 is 5. And this 4 lakh divided by 4 lakh into 100 is equal to 100%. If you total this is also 100. Okay, in this case also this total is 100, or you can say 3 lakh divided by 3 lakh into 100 is equal to 100%. I hope you understand this problem clearly, and if you like my way of teaching, please subscribe, comment and like the video so that you may get notification in future also. Thank you very much for watching.